Hey, what's up everyone? Big news is coming from the Apple. Apple finally stepping into the folding phone game. Yes, the rumors are saying that the iPhone is coming soon in end of this year. And today we are going to talk about what might is gonna look. And the main question is what is the cost to buy a new iPhone. But before that, if you are new in this channel, hi there, this is Chonak, and in this channel we are going to talk about only tech products. So if you like the tech products, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. So let's jump into the video. First, let's talk about the rumors and launching date. So when we can actually get our hands on this? Well, the leak and analysis saying that late 2026 could be the target, maybe alongside with the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. But you know Apple, perfection take time, so don't be surprised if it slipped to 2027. But the majority chances that they might gonna announce with the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max, but probably sales gonna start from the early 2027, maybe in January or February time. But officially Apple hasn't said any word about the folding iPhone. Everything we know so far is coming from the leak, supply chains, and super sneaky insiders. Basically, it's a tech world. It's the biggest game of guessing. Let's talk about the designs and the display. Alright, now for the fun parts. The rumors are saying that we are going to look a book style folding phone from the Apple, which is the same like a Samsung Galaxy Fold 7, similar like a folding phone, not a flippable phone. So that's the leaks are saying that 100% you will see a folding phone, not a flip phone from the Apple yet so far. Here is what exciting. The outer screen you will get a 5.5-inch screen size, which is perfect for quick stuff like checking messages or reply for the messages. And the inner screen you will get a 7.8-inch screen size, which is a nearly same like an iPad mini. That is the biggest question, that Apples are planning to mix iPhone and iPad mini in one folding phone or what. But yes, inner you will get a 7.8-inch screen size and outer which is 5.5-inch. But one thing is, consider me with a 5.5-inch screen size, which is a bit smaller. 5.5-inch screen size, it's literally a small size, because nowadays mini phones are also coming with a 6.1 to 6.3-inch screen size, and these foldable phones are coming with a 6.5-inch screen size. Inner is fine because Apple are giving 7.8-inch of screen size in inner, which is a perfectly fine as a folding phone, but outer 5.5-inch, which is a bit concern. But one surprise news is that Apples are giving a super durable hinge, which is probably made with a liquid metal and titanium. Yes, Apple want it to be a last. This technology none of the folding phone companies use yet, with a liquid metal with a titanium. This mostly help you to avoid the crease. You can see the crease on here. If that technology works, you can't see any crease. So it's a creaseless iPhone you will see as a first. Because let's be real, this annoying line in middle of the screen, they annoys you sometimes and staying here for the lifelong. But obviously it's a first technology, so it's a very challenging for the Apple as well, because none of the company made this technology before. But obviously I'm excited to see that creaseless iPhone. If you are loving this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channels, because there is much more goodness is coming to your way. Let's talk about the features and the tech. For the tech wise, Apple is keeping most of it under the wrap. Here is the leak is suggesting. The first leak is saying that it will be a reinforced hinge for the durabilities, because you know nobody want a folding phone which is breaks in a month. And the top tier camera setup, you will see a 4 camera setup in this upcoming iPhone, which is 2 in rear, 1 in front, and 1 in inner screen as well, which is look like a same iPhone 17 Air designs. iPhone 17 Air is coming with a 1 camera setup, but you will get 2 camera setups in this new upcoming iPhone. I think the iPhone 17 Air was a demo from the Apple to see how these durabilities work in the slimness wise, and they applied in the upcoming iPhone, which is I can see probably that's the main thing to launch a iPhone Air. And the megapixels in this new upcoming iPhone is still under the leak, but as per I research, you will see a 248 megapixels cameras in rear, front is 18 megapixels, and also inner also you will see a 18 megapixels sensor, which is a square sensors Apple released in this iPhone 17 series. But one thing I'm confused regarding this iOS, which iOS Apple gonna use in this new upcoming iPhone? Apple gonna use the iPhone iOS or Apple gonna use the iPad iOS? Because iPad iOS is a completely different as per the app. Whatever app you're using it, you will get a square screen size app. So obviously that is a bit confused that Apple which iOS system's gonna use, operating system's gonna use in this new upcoming iPhone. But we'll see. Obviously that's the biggest question, but Apple definitely got the answer for this as well. Now let's talk about the price and market impact. Let's start with the price. Yes, it's going to be expensive. The rumors saying that the new upcoming iPhone is cost you 2,000 to 2,500 pounds. Yes, Apple is entering in this folding phone market, and market gonna be a sec for this time. Samsung has leading from the years in the folding phone, but now there is new players coming in the market. But the biggest question is why Apple came late in the folding market. Well, Apple has been quietly watching the folding phone trend, and now the designs, perfections and massive ecosystems, they could be a totally game changer for the Apple fan. And if the rumors are true about nearly invisible crease, ultra durable hinge, folding multitasking, that we might finally have a folding that actually feels like a premium from the Apple. So that's the scoop on the iFold, which is Apple gonna give a name with an iPhone Ultra, I believe, not an iPhone Fold. Probably iPhone Ultra will be the best name, which is iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max and iPhone 18 Pro Ultra. That's the name I believe that Apple gonna give. Are you excited for the first folding phone coming from the Apple? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, smash like button and hit subscribe button, so whenever I upload the next video, you will get a notification as well. So now, time to say goodbye to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this lovely video. See you in the next one. Take care.